Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus and algebra. The topic that is about the series. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the next numbers in here. We know that the difference between number 5 and number 11 that is about number 6. From 11 to number 19, that is about number 8. 19 to 27, the difference that is about number 10. So the next one should be about number 12. That is about even numbers. So now 29 plus number 12, we have 41. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.